Welcome back to another video. I've gotten rid of the 25 Ford Explorer ST, and we went out and we purchased a Blazer EV SS, and this thing is so much fun to drive, it's not even funny. So we are going to probably keep this vehicle for quite a long time. So we wanted to protect the paint. So I did some investigation online and found DIY Detail ceramic coating package. So last week we washed the vehicle and we put the 3-year on. And this bottle is a little bit left over, but that bottle definitely did the whole vehicle. And you can tell the differences between the 3-year and the 5-year. Now, the 5-year comes in the package, and they want you to put that on after the 3-year, obviously. And you can see how dark this. Both these were the same color. You can see how dark that is. So this got some graphene. I think that's how they pronounce it, graphene, in there. Where this is a ceramic coating. So. Also, this stuff smells to high heaven. So if you can handle it and have a mask on, I would either be in a really, really well ventilated area or wear a mask. Because I was smelling that stuff for a couple days afterwards, and it gets in your nose, and it is unbelievable. I had to clean my nose out with saline, but that's beside the point. Just be careful on the smell with that stuff. It is unbelievable. Also, you're going to need a good pair of gloves. They recommended these. I found these online on Amazon. There's like 100 of them. You do go through a bunch of them with a 3-year coating. With a 5-year, I only went through one pair, but with a 3-year, man, I must have gone through like 10 pairs of these. Because one of the problems is if it's hot where you are, or mildly in the 70s or whatever, you're going to start to sweat. And here's one that I just used doing the 5-year. And what happens is that you get a lot of moisture, sweat in there, and then your hand looks like you've been in the pool all day. And then the water starts to drip out the back and can land on the coating that you just put on, and you don't want that to happen. So you're going to go through a bunch of these pairs of gloves, and then, cleaning your hands and drying your hands, because you got to have that on there. You don't want that stuff to come in skin contact with you. So they also give this is a panel prep and 2 towels. So you're going to spray this onto there, not on the car, onto your pad or your towel here. And you're going to get that on the car and pull off all the contaminants. And it flashes like right away, so you got to come right behind that with this one and pull off all the imperfections. Now, or the dust or whatever you might have on your car. Now, this car's brand new, so we didn't have a lot of that. Like after a good wash, this car was pretty good to go, but we still went over everything with the panel prep, just to be diligent, because in all their videos, they're like preparation is like 100% helps the outcome of your coating. And then they give you this package here, and this has got 3 of each, I think. We only really use 2. We've only really used 2. We did wash everything in between, and they tell you not really to do that, but the wash took everything out. I mean, they say they can get crunchy or crispy, but we didn't run into any of that. And to be honest with you, what they were saying in their videos is like 30 seconds to up to 5 minutes for it to flash on your car. We did not see that at all. It was flashing like right away. So my wife was going around behind me with a knockdown towel, like a leveling towel, and then right after that we were buffing it off, because it flashed like right away. No waiting around. And it's harder, obviously, on a white vehicle than it is on a darker vehicle. But this one has the a black roof, like the Stormtrooper look, right? So you could definitely see it. We did a test on the black, and man, it oil slicked up right away, and so it was quick. There's no messing around. You got to get the knockdown towel on top of that right away, and then you're buffing right after that. But the car came out really good, I think. It'll definitely point out all the scratches from the factory. So we did have some scratches up on the back end here. So we took it back to the dealership and they buffed everything out up here. Came out really nice, and then I just ceramic coated that today to finish up. So now the car's totally with a 3-year, and then the 5-year is like from here up. We have 5-year on it. I don't know. I'm too exhausted right now to do the whole vehicle again with 5-year. But yeah, it looks really good. This product is pretty easy to use. Goes on nice and smooth. You'll get the hang of it as soon as you find that flash point. You get the hang of it, and you'll work through it pretty quickly. It is more fun with 2 people. The first person goes around putting on the ceramic coating, and then right behind it, like your partner can knock it down, and then just buff off after a minute or two. Just buff off the rest. But yeah, that stuff works really well. So yeah, we're done with the vehicle ceramic coating it. I didn't do everything. I didn't do the tires, but we did do 3-year all the way down to the bottom. The 5-year again is like up here, and then the hood, the windshield, some of the pieces up front here are 5-year, like the headlights and the glass. Well, can't call it glass, whatever that is, for the headlight coating, and then also on the tail lights back here, the glass. Your shark antenna up on top there. So yep. So the next thing for this vehicle is to get a level 2 charger installed. We're going to put it right here on the wall. We're waiting for our electrical panel permissions from the township to get a permit to get approved, and we already have the charger here ready to go, and our electrician is also ready to go. So we have a charge point going to go in. Right now I'm just charging this vehicle, either one at work. My work has a charger, charging stations, or we're doing it off the wall here. But Lord Almighty, that takes a long time. That's like 1 mile per hour of charging. It's pretty ridiculous. So anyway, I highly recommend this stuff. If you got a new car and you want to try it out on yourself rather than spend $1,000 at the dealership, give it a shot. All right. If you got any comments or anything, post them down below and I'll get back to you.